everyone, welcome to our second edition of the Cook Along, and today I'm going to show you what we're going to prepare. It's very, very interesting and very delicious. Once again, welcome. Today we're preparing the stuffed Italian chicken, and the breast is our main ingredient. So all the ingredients you see here, they're going to be stuffed into this chicken breast. So we have the mozzarella cheese, the onion rings, we have the basil, we have the green pepper, slices of tomatoes, garlic and ginger, rosemary leaves, spinach, and then we have the radish, which is for garnishing, then the crushed ginger and garlic paste, soy sauce, and the toothpicks for stuffing.
Many minutes later.